Haka sngi Plie ka arpo tarik jaleu arjar posau. Kadika sngi ke bansa jingkan mau ka shnong Nongshilong. Barbaro ki shnong ki badan haka tega thany. Namar da ka jingyo e ka we ka library lan ka ying. Banluk thubi ki kot pule ki babunjaj. Baki nongsong shnong baki khana pule jung ki school. Ki badan haka thany. Kinlai ban pule batibnya shemphang ki e ki baratho. Haki kot ki baper. Ya ki jinglu jing sep baro habashnaik tega library. Labai pisa da ka World Bank. Kebalakot adu shpeu laktam. Ia kata ke library la Plie do PhD dogra senior environmentalist juga World Bank harangkat ka jingdon lang ugunan ka IAS additional director ka CLLMP uba WR Masar MCS BDO ka Motoration uti jutsalko deputy project director project management CALLMP upayim NCM usim ka himamawyang kisodar shnong kinuhikai bat ki kana school kitay kihe ka World Bank haba ajing kranak te kasngi kilong baka jingyo jang ka Nongshilong ke library kalongkum ka silam ajing hikai ki bawan man pule ki kot ki babunjaj ki babatai shemphang kum noman pen pensa e ka maryang bat kalong ru kum kalat ban pengkalai ki jimbut jing perkhat jung ki brew bakin shemphang ban tip baka jing pen pensa e ka maryang kade ka baron kam hadu kata
and the change is so visible that people are demanding a library here. People have put in a library here which is beyond the scope of the project. The project has gone to village natural resource management plan and implementing related work. But the interest of the people, the interest of the community, the interest of Siam, this is what the change is. You can very well see the change which has come here, and this is the change which we all need because the climate change and other aspects which are now hampering the environment and ecology is bringing a devastating future for us. So it's important that we realize that how important it is the environment and ecology of a local area. We talk about bigger pictures and bigger climate change and global network, but it is important to look at local aspects of ecology, and I'm glad that here in your work you are also documenting flora and fauna of the local village, which is important.
Mobile screens are this one, the reading culture is going down. If our future has to be safe and secure, if we have to have a very sustainable forest around, our students should inculcate this habit. So somehow I request Bach in your area, try to have at least 1 hour a week, make them come to this library, make them read, have that fun, enjoying. That habit should be there. I am also from a very normal middle class or lower middle class background family. If I am standing here, it is education, and this is for most of us. If we want to go up in a normal route, then education is the only way. Maybe there may be other ways, and that is not something we should all look into. Please, teachers, I think, in fact, maybe I would like to just bring to notice or just remind what we did. The 720 Kynhun smart school net devices. That's also one of the reasons. Like CLAM should not end with what we have done on the ground. It should continue in terms of education, environment education. I don't know in your school net is there or not. I kindly request to use. We have not only given a device, we have loaded with lot of educational material, environment education material, and also normal education. NCERT from class 1 to class 12 is there. Somehow, very few schools are using it very well. I don't know about your school, so I won't comment. If you are already using it effectively, it's very good. If not, please kindly use. The world today, we cannot limit ourselves into our school and our students. The entire world is under one competition. I mean, it's already, if you know, NEET or any JEE exam, anything, the competition is very high. And
biang tambe hagaba yo an priang ya day na po World Bank, also the World Bank na po SPMU sa dunangka antay jung bajun ba James antay baro ya niya. Okay. It is really an auspicious moment for all of us here. We have been looking forward for this day where we can inaugurate and make this facility available to all. And thank you very much, team from World Bank,
and especially Sir Vinanka. In the first time when I presented the proposal, in fact, I was really afraid that maybe that we might get rejected or something, but fortunately, Sir is very adherent to us and listen to us, and to all the questions and answers that are going around, then finally he approved it. And thank you to Bajud also, who had really helped in this all the contributions that Bajud had given in this NRM library also. Thank you very much, and Ba'atu also. And thank you, sir, especially for this moment. And one thing I would like to highlight is that working with the communities, the main challenges is changing the mindset of people. It's not like working, it's easy to give money, people work just for money only. But to change the mindset of people is very, very difficult. So out here, especially in this village, the mindset of people has really changed, especially towards environment, preserving it. And while talking with them, interacting with them, they said that we have done so much from our clan, we have done so much for the community, but the children and the youths are left out. So this is the best opportunity where the youths and children will come and learn visually and through videos and photos, and also they can read the books, and the Vietnamese are here, so they can also help them, explain to them all the things that Clem had been doing and the benefits that they derive from the project. So I hope it will make an enormous impact in the life of the children. That's why we invited the school children here, so that they will know, understand, and take the greatest opportunity